types and setting variables. So I'm going to go to my empty document here on the right, and I'm going to save it as, fast forward through my computer, slowly opening up the file prompt, data types .py, and I'll put that on my desktop. So we've already been using one data type, that's strings, for our input and output. So some examples of strings are like name, Yoda, that I put on my screen. Strings will appear green. That's how Python shows you what strings are. And they're very commonly used in Python for a lot of things. But now we're going to move on to other data types, like number data types. And these are actually called integers and floats. An example of some integers could be like Yoda age. Spoiler alert, he was 900 at one point. And so integers are whole numbers that can be positive or negative or even zeros. Zeros count. Floats are a little bit different in that they have a floating point, which is a period in the middle of it. Some examples of those could be like, you see these more in math homework. So x is 9.4, y is 3.3, z is negative 5,000.0001. These are some examples of floating point integers. Now I'm going to go up and add a comment for saying that this is a string. We've used these before. All of these can be printed. So far, we can straight up print name. We can print go to age, and we can print x. So I'm going to run that, and you should see 3 things get printed out. Alright, that was a lot to take in so far, but there's only one data type left that we're going to worry about right now, and that's called a Boolean. And Booleans are probably the simplest data types in that they can only be true or false. So make a Boolean called is powerful and true. Set it to true. In Python, they all have to be capitalized and they should show up purple when they are a correct Boolean value. You can also print these.